Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and replace text on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and select where it says Find and Replace. You can also tap the Control and H keys at the same time in order to open up this menu. Select what you want to find and then replace with in the next field, and you can search all of your sheets or just this particular sheet, and then you can select customizational options like if you want to just match a specific upper or lowercase settings there. You can also search within links, formulas, and search using regular expressions. You'd select Done to then commence the search. You would select Find to then find every result that came up on the page, and then you can either have the option to replace just that one particular instance or replace all. And then you can select Done to close out once you're done, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.